Hey guys, it's me again. It's the same day. I did my breakfast thing. Today, I am at Liverpool South Parkway. It's a very nice station, very peaceful. The next station we'll be seeing. Oh, there's a transport for Wales coming on. There's a transport for Wales coming, which will be bound for Chester. 12:50. Looks like a 158 from here. Yeah, it's a 158. I can see. So this will be operated by Transport for Wales, like I said. Operators here are like Transport for Wales, Northern East Midlands trains, Virgin trains passing by. On the Midland, which I just got off, as one. My train was gone up there. Here it comes. There's a 158 just up there. Down to Chester about 100 times. Coming up Runcorn, Froxham, Helsby and Chester. There's a better view. There you go. I'm just going to stand back here because there's always a massive crowd. Somewhere between Wales. There's another 55 there, and here it is. 158. Try it. Oh, it looks like a bit like a 159, but it's not. Yeah, it's the one I saw here when I was in Lime Street. So you have 158 824. And there's a northern inbound for Liverpool Lime Street. Looks like a 195 actually. And down here. Yep, there it is. Looks like a 3311. Can't tell because they're also 195s. That pretty much look the same. I'm not identified that number yet. I think we just arrived secretly. Because we're going to be departing with the Transport for Wales. Pretty much now. Yep, it's all good to go, so I think we'll go on the closing. Here we go, it's leaving. 158 824. Here it goes. Cover your ears if you need to. It's quite loud. Oh, that was loud. There it goes. There it goes. 158 824. As well, the northern service for Liverpool Lime Street. Taking this around, it is 195 125. Now it's gone all quiet again finally. It's very peaceful now. And there's a plane up there. Yeah, it's an EasyJet, you can clearly see. Probably not a John Lennon. So our next one will be service to Peterborough, not in a. Oh, okay. So then there's a London Midland coming in. There goes 158 there, and there goes the 195. On platform 6. Yeah, look, platform 5 and 6 up there. That was where we'll be going later, the northern line. So there's a East Midlands there, served to Peterborough. Not even via Peterborough. I don't know, Peterborough via. I don't know. I really don't know, because that service was there when I made it into Lime Street. Is there going to be a passing train anyway? Don't know, but at least I actually have a real station. Last time I did Harrison Park. Okay, let's look at me again. So later I'll be taking Merseyrail. And I'm just gonna be away. Mum, yeah. Can we do trains at can you do trains at Southport at least once?
No, I'm not going to
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm back. There seems to be a mini. Oh, it's not. I thought that was a reason. There's nothing coming yet. There's one coming soon. Well, that's like 1 o'clock. I can't be recording for an hour. This thing's got low battery. Anyway, if you didn't know, my breakfast was very nice. No one's good. I thought that one Friday would give me a little turn, but not a big one. Just me, I've had more turns. I saw Dr. Gamer who's a big one. Trust me, I need a passing train. Also, a little while ago, I was on my 508 to hit Liverpool Lime Street to get to my London Midland, and I was in Bidston. Found out our train was 507-001. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. So we had to miss the first one, which is I think was a 508. Oh, it's okay. Here's the next train. Here comes a 195 inbound for Manchester Oxford Road. Or was that Peterborough? Okay, so it's coming on this platform. Very weird. It's coming in very slowly. Very slowly. Looks like it's a service to Liverpool Lime Street. It's going again. Is that 331 on test? It might be. Could be anything. Oh wow, it must be a 331 on test. Hey Mum, look at the 331.
We're going to go after this?
No, we've got 331 105 on test. Passing by now. That's quite nice. Yeah, it's a 331. That's going to be passing by. Seems to be speeding up now. Does need a little pressure wash though. It will need one pretty soon. But yeah, I think after this, once the Virgin has at least passed, we're gonna.
We go to platform 6 and we can carry on from there.
Where's platform 6?
I think it's that one, yeah?
Which one? Over there? That's platform 1, I think.
Or should we go and find platform 6?
Platform 6? No, let's move on to the next platform. I want like a separate video. So yeah, this is the final part of this platform. We are going onto another platform now. I can see there's a East Midlands trains approaching, so we'll do that when I make it onto the next one. Bye!